such a fun car to drive. Everything feels like a brand new car. Shifts nice and smooth, steering wheel straight. It is just crazy to drive a car like this, but it's all modern and updated. Zero complaints with the car. It shifts really smooth and everything feels perfect. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, looks amazing. And then looking at the fender here, you do have a scratch right there. All of that looks good. The rest of that fender looks really nice. Lower rocker's clean. Here on the A-pillar, it looks really good. I don't see any flaws here on the roof. All of that looks good. Door edge feels perfect. That door itself is in great condition. I don't see any flaws on it. Lower rocker looks good. That wheel looks amazing. Here on the front end, starting with the hood, making our way down the edge. Looks amazing. I don't see any rock chips. That side looks good. That all looks awesome. The edge looks perfect. All of that looks really good. And here in the engine bay, this looks amazing. Right here on the driver's side, making our way down the fender. Looks really good. That wheel looks awesome. A-pillar looks good. Door edge is perfect. Looking at that lower rocker. That's nice and clean. I don't see any flaws that stand out here so far. That wheel looks good. All right, looking back here, across that deck lid looks good. Taillights look awesome. Got the Borla exhaust. And here in the trunk, looks really good. And then you can listen to the sound of this when you shut it. It's solid, ready? Sounds like a brand new car. And in the glove box is the button to pop the trunk, and then watch how it opens here. Automatically pops open. All right, looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it is absolutely gorgeous in here. Smells brand new. Now this has that vintage look like a crank window, but it's actually power, so it's a really cool feature. All of this looks awesome. Kick plate area looks good. Got the Revology emblem here. Looking at the seat, that looks nice. All of this looks really good. Steering wheel looks amazing. This thing is just wicked cool. The fit and finish of everything is just perfect. They did a killer job on this. Alright, looking at this door panel. Looks perfect. Kick plate area is nice and clean. Carpets look awesome. Now right here you do have a scratch in the leather. That seat looks good. This side of the console's good. The dash looks amazing. All of this looks really good. All right, and then checking out the handle here. Like I said, it's a crank look, but it's actually power. So just push it up, push it down, super easy. And then listening to this door here, see how quiet it is to open, just super solid. Feels like a brand new car.